I have no fucking clue what is happening anymore. My computer just forcefully restarted itself. I think Windows forcefully installed a new update for me or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what's happening anymore. I am so confused. I can't hear the game. 1 second. Oh, yeah, my fucking headphones disconnected. Oh my god, do I really have to reconnect my headphones all the fucking way? No, no, we're good. It seems possibly. There we go, I can hear again. Dear God, I'm gonna kill somebody, dude. Okay, at least this seems to save pretty regularly. So where was I? Okay, so now we want to say if you can't harvest. Do we just want to loop through this? Where it does like the whole check position? Yeah, I think we can just do a else. So if I can't harvest, then we just do check position maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Let's just try running it and see what happens. Oh shit, I forgot to do it in a loop. So while true, harvest, loop. Cool. Seems to be good. What? Wait a minute. Okay. It's doing that. And now it's carrots, so now we plant the grass. Okay. Now we plant bushes because it's grass. Now... Oh! Okay, I see the issue. We're just gonna go for it. And then once we till again, I'm gonna get rid of the tilling code. I see now. So everything can be placed onto tilled ground. Shit. There we go. Okay, now it's working again. Ooh. Okay. I mean, I'll get it just because I want it. Let's see, set speed. A chest. Pumpkins are 500 and 200. Can I have player input? Allows access to cost things, dictionaries. I don't think I'm going to be needing any of that. Don't think random's really going to be useful at all, if I'm being honest. Okay. So, we now have bigger plots, now up to a 3x3. Or 4x4, I mean. Sorry, things start at 0, so whatever. Anyway, so now we're up to a 4x4. So I could just have not deleted the code that I wrote and just stuck with that, but I'm stupid. When do I get pumpkins or whatever? So 500, 200, 500 for sunflowers, 50 for that, 50 and 70 for trees, which apparently I assume would give us more wood than bushes, I mean. Yeah, just get rid of all that. Okay, so or no, we want to call this check position. Get position X. X pose equals this. Y position equals get Y position. So if X position equals 3. No, we really only need the Y position. I just wanted to have it because it's cool. Anyways, so if this equals 3, then we say move north and move east, else just move north. Actually, can I get how big my plot is? Now that I think about it. Oh, interesting. Okay. Get world size. Okay. Four. Thank you. Oh, well, that's fucking stupid. I don't have lists yet, right? Damn. I was gonna say, I could actually do some cool shit with that, but I can't. So, if can harvest, then if get entity type equals entities dot grass no. What do I want to do? I want to harvest, and then I want to do check position. Or no, I want to harvest, then I want to plant entities bush, and then check position. If get entity type equals entities dot bush harvest plant till, and then plant entities dot carrot and check position. Else harvest till plant entities dot grass check position. And that should be good, I think. Oh, apparently tilling automatically. Okay. So I'm wasting a little bit of time there, but that's fine. Am I only breaking even? Okay, no, I am gaining. Okay, yeah, I made it to 50 now, so I could theoretically upgrade... Where was it? Get wood. Directly. Every tile they would take 16 times longer to grow. I can pass in arguments, can't I? Cool. So we would want to skip, and then we want to skip so we could place them in a checkerboard pattern. So we'd place, skip, skip, place, skip. Can I check the area next to me? No. Okay. So in that case, since we want to do a skip place, skip place. Oh my god, that is a weird... Okay. We want to checkerboard it. This would be a place where, like, the list array situation would actually be really helpful. So we harvest, and then we want to plant a tree. And then we want to check positions, so we want to... Okay, yeah. So I think I want to make this true, and we want to set this to is tree. So then if is tree, we then want to say move north, move north. And, actually, paste, boom. Now we want to tab all of this forward, else do that. Move north, move east. So if we say that, and then is tree. Got it. If is tree. Move north, move north. And let me just double check this real fast, because I think this is wrong. I think we only want one move north up here, so I don't know. Okay, so if we think about this, we plant the tree right here. So then we go through this. So this is, you know, not this. So in that case, we want to say it does this code here. So we move north, and then we do the same thing. And now from here, we would move north and north, because this right here is not this. So we would run this code down here, so we move north, where we would then see that it's a tree, so then we would harvest and plant, so that wouldn't work. Oh my god, I hate trees. So what if instead the first thing we do once we get to the trees is also we want to, yes, so yeah, we want that one to be true. Okay, so how do I want to do this? It's pretty much we're going to plant a tree here, then we're going to skip plant tree, then we're going to do that. So we could do a check. Okay. This is going to be real complicated code here. We're going to have to get our position every single time. Because we're going to have to check. We're going to have to, oh, goddamn. So I pretty much have to input, I have to hard code the trees. So we start at 0, 0. So then if get Actually, let's do that. Now we're going to say if position X equals and position Y equals 0, then we're going to move north so that we plant here. So now we're going to be at 0, 2. So we're going to move north. And then we could just move east. But then we would have to start moving south at that point. So instead we're going to do north, east. Which should place us right here. Because we're going to go north, east. Oh, that's where it would place us, actually. So we want to do 3 norths. Because we're going to be here, north, east. Plant tree. And then from there, that's going to be 1, 1. Is there a simpler way of doing this, actually? Because, so, let's think about this. So we plant, move, plant, move, plant, move, plant. And then we move, plant. So that's kind of, and then it would reset the pattern. So that would be the pattern. Because we would plant, move, plant, move, plant, move, plant, and then move, plant. So our pattern is north, and then north, east, north, east, north. So it's 2, 3, then 1. That's the pattern. It's 2, 3, 1. So instead, we can create a variable called I, which equals 0. If I equals 0, and we want to set this up here instead, we then say move north and move north. If I equals 1, we move north, because it was, so 0, 1, 2, and then 1 would be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Move north, move east. If I equals 2, because then it's, so it's north, and then it's north, east. It's going to be north, and then it's going to be north, east. So then we would want to move north and then move east. So we want to go back to 0 at the end of this one. So what if we do north and north, and then we have... Okay, yeah. Let's do that to loop it. So then if I equals 3, move north, move east. So it's a 4-step thing. And that should theoretically work, since now we're just going to do I plus equals 1. And we're going to copy that throughout all of this. Except for down here, we're going to say I equals 0. Okay, I have no fucking clue if this is going to work. Oh my god. I feel like there's an easier way of doing this, but I don't feel like figuring it out. Fair enough. Okay. So now the problem is this is going to run every time. And I don't want that. Oh, I need to do global. Okay. I didn't know that I could do that. What the shit? Oh, I didn't think about that. God damn it. God fucking damn it. Okay, you know what? Fuck all this bullshit. Fuck trees, bro. Trees can suck my balls. We're going back to bushes. It's easier. It's slower, but easier. I don't feel like figuring out trees right now. That shit's stupid. Yeah, I think we just save up for a list. Ooh. Okay, lag. I'm gonna wait, give myself a bit of leeway with that. Oh, bushes and trees. Okay, fuck yeah. I don't need trees then. Fuck trees. Ugh. There we go. Tree hat. Come on. Let's go. Now this is what I call a fucking farm, baby. Now, if I actually save up for lists, I could actually speed this up by quite a bit, since it wouldn't be going through the if statements and whatnot. Like, I could simplify this down by quite a bit. Oh, nice. Got the carrot hat. I totally forgot to get rid of that. Sunflowers and power. I wonder what that means. I think I'd go for sunflowers next, actually. Instantly. Oh, that's actually kind of OP. A top hat. Oh, I can spawn drones. And then I can give it a task to do? Okay. So yeah, this is kind of the thought right now. Once I get the spawning multiple drones, then trees might be worth it, because I can split the plots up. So, like, we can have one plot that's, like, tree-specific. Another plot that's something else, yada, yada, yada. And that could actually be good. Let's see. Oh, is that power? Okay, assumedly that is power, probably. Okay, then. Damn it. Just a little bit more. All right, I think I'm good for now. I have an understanding, and I think I know what my plan is continuing with the farmer was replaced. But I think I already have like a pretty decent setup for the code. I just need to replace it with lists now to optimize it speed-wise. But yeah, with that